Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something a little bit different, but still important, how to avoid camel toeing. We know this is a topic that many people are curious about, so let's get started. Camel toeing refers to the visible outline of a woman's labia majora through tight clothing. It's something that can make some people feel uncomfortable, so we're here to help you avoid it. Tip number 1, wear looser clothing. Opt for pants or shorts that are not too tight in the crotch area. This will help minimize the appearance of camel toe and make you feel more comfortable. Tip number 2, choose thicker fabrics. Thicker fabrics are less likely to show the shape of your body, so they're a great option if you're worried about camel toeing. Tip number 3, avoid moisture. Moisture can make the fabric cling to your body more, making the outline more visible. Try to avoid activities that cause sweating in the crotch area before putting on tight clothing. Tip number 4, use a panty liner. A panty liner can help absorb moisture and prevent the fabric from clinging to your body. Tip number 5, choose the right underwear. Seamless underwear or thongs can help minimize the appearance of camel toe. Remember, it's important to wear what makes you feel comfortable and confident. If you're concerned about camel toeing, try different clothing options until you find what works best for you. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video!